the reason why I'm still so alone. Promise that I won't try to get too close to you anymore. To anyone I want more. I know this avalanche and the pants is coming down. I'll try and soon the question advanced by the trophies, by the crime that I...
Well, the last show in Velenje, there was the last show of our tour, so we were kind of all tired and stuff, but then we met Dejan and all the amazing people from MC, and it's, you know, it was so great, so sweet, so we wanted to stay here for like a week, and the show, the sound was great and everything, so for us last time was amazing, and today was even better because we were just looking forward to be back, and yeah. Well, I think it was kind of natural thing to be, because I started alone, and then I met Mickey, the drummer, and then he was like, yeah, let's make a band out of it. I never thought it could be a band, and then we were just experimenting with a lot of different new instruments, and it's just natural way of like, we are all friends, so we are not like professional session players or that, but we are all friends in heart, so we do it with love, and it's like a natural thing to do for us. Gong, I think we haven't included gong yet, and I think we should. Yeah, well, it's every song is a different kind of a entity, you know. It's sometimes I make a song of my own on my own and everything, but sometimes I just bring some idea of lyrics and some basic chords, and then we make it with the rest of the band.
It's really nice to see you again.
Yeah, tell us about how we create songs.
We don't create songs at all.
We do. Tell them.
They just happen.
Yeah, they just happen, you know.
Contribute some words to it. Vitek.
David does it all.
David does it all.
We sometimes help with something.
David does it all.
No, that's not true. Those guys work on those songs as much as I do, so they just here to make.
But all the lyrics come from David, and the basic melody, the bass for the melody usually comes from David, and then we play it in the rehearsal room, and then we tune something, do some fun stuff with it, and.
I think the most fun part is stuff like this, when we like go to different country and play there, and see the different places, and we like spend all the time together.
With David.
Yeah.
To me, the studio versions are shit against what we play in live, you know. I wish the studio versions were as good as sometimes we played live, but sometimes we played terrible live, sometimes we played great, but the studio versions are always like worse than when I can do it with the boys live without like no overdubs at all, like.
Yeah, I think that the biggest thing is seeing David on the stage, and he's like the lights are turned for him, and he's just like an energy bomb. Yeah. So it's not possible to play bad.
When we see David, it's not possible to play bad, you know.
He's an angel.
He's an angel.
Yes, sent from heaven. We love him, and it's beautiful here in Velenje. It's a really beautiful city.
It is a beautiful city.
Last time we were here, we only saw it during the night, and it was beautiful. But now during the day, you know, to see the lake and the mountains, it's really nice here. And we are very grateful to Dejan for organizing all this for us.
We hopefully come back, you know. tonight we're going to the lake again, you know.
You guys should join us, you know.
Oh yeah, you should join us.
You've been to the lake, yeah?
Oh, cameraman, you should join us, man. You should join us.
Really, we're not joking. You guys should join us to the lake. It was great. It's great. We've been
Beautiful lake.
5 Czech people drowned in the lake.
Velenje news. 5 Czech people drowned in the lake.